Hi, this is Lezlie with Light Elegance, and we're here to walk you through a luxurious spa pedicure using Q&Lu Spa Essentials. Q&Lu makes every spa pedicure a relaxing experience while using all natural ingredients and essential oils found in nature. Q&Lu will detoxify, eliminate dull and dry skin, hydrate and add luminous glow without harmful chemicals, artificial dyes, preservatives, or synthetic fragrances. Follow these easy steps to save time and send home healthier clients with every service. Pretty feet make for happy clients. To prepare for your Q&Lu Spa Pedicure, warm 2 hand towels. And you can add a few drops of Q&Lu Spa oil to the towels for a nice aroma and a softening effect. Now we're going to add 2 to 3 scoops of Q&Lu salt soap to the pedicure basin. Now it's time for your client to put their feet into the pedicure basin and soak for 3 to 5 minutes. Notice the foaming effect will last the entire soaking time. Trim and file the nails to requested length. Then return the foot to the water. Repeat this for the opposite foot. Remove the foot from the water and pat dry. Now push back and clean up the cuticles. Notice how easy it is to push and clean the cuticle area. Remove excess calluses with a file. These are going to melt away like butter after soaking in the Q&Lu salt soak. Return the foot to the water and repeat on the opposite foot. Remove the foot from the water and pat dry. Using a quarter size amount of Q&Lu bamboo polish, massage the foot and leg. Add warm water or a few drops of Q&Lu spa oil to extend the massage. Notice how the dead skin is just lifted away by the bamboo polish. To use the bamboo polish as a mask, wrap the foot and leg in a damp towel. This allows the essential oils to further penetrate the skin while you massage. With both feet and legs wrapped, massage with compression until the towels cool. Then use the towels to remove the polish. Drain the water from the basin. You'll notice how little cleanup you'll have to do. This will save you so much time, which also saves you money. If you're using soak-off gel or a hard gel, this is when you're going to want to apply it. If you're using lacquer, we'll do that at the very end of the service. Clean the nail beds with the LE Pro Cleanser. Now we're going to use a nickel-size amount of Q&Lu bamboo lotion to massage the leg and foot. To extend the massage and increase hydration and softness, add 2 or 3 drops of Q&Lu spa oil to the lotion. If you are using nail lacquer, you'll want to apply that now. Now your spa pedicure is complete. One of the wonderful benefits of the Q&Lu Spa line is when your clients go to put their shoes on, you'll notice that they won't be slipping and sliding all over.